Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we're going to show you how to get a backlash, or we're going to show you how to get a backlash and how not to get a backlash. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get a backlash. Oof. That's really gnarly right there. Look at that. So for the basic, show you how to get rid of it. So you just pull out your line, nice and slow, and how to get a backlash out of 5 minutes. Alright, and there's a little bird's nest right there. It's pretty gnarly. So what you want to do is you want to crank up your line, loosen up your drag, crank on it, crank on it, crank on it, and then grab your line, and then now you can start pulling every bit of your line out of your reel, right? So you don't have to sit there and just pick at your line and fray it all up. And this is about 12-13 pound mono, and that's your whole spool right there. Okay. And also, I don't know if y'all saw that, but I put a little bit of tape onto the spool, that way I don't have to worry about tying up the knot and fraying up my line, and because you don't want to go through all that hustle to do that. Okay, so here we go. And we got a little problem right there. Alright, I don't know how that even happened. So the problem is a knot. That's one of the problems. There we go. See? Now we got it going. And now you just go back and crank. My camera fell. I'm so sorry about that, guys. My camera just randomly falls because of my selfie stick. It's kind of cheesy. I need to get a new selfie stick. Alright. Get in. Since you did that, there you go. You guys are good. And we're gonna go ahead and show you how to fix one of the problems, guys, is having a freaking line stuck over here. See, that's a hassle. Look at all that line. Walking all that line all the way to the end of this. And when it rains, guys, all this gets flooded, by the way. So, I see where it's at. It's over there. It's over here. See? On the gate. Oh, wow, it's pretty on there pretty good. Look at that. I don't hope my reel don't get messed up or anything. Let's be very careful. There you go. Whoa. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry if I kind of aimed my camera down to the ground just a little bit. And there's my weight right over there on the ground right there that we're passing up right now. Alright. So, show you how to fix y'all's braking system and y'all's rod. Bro, we're gonna have to get road grippers for this, because this gripping on my reel right here is not wanting to do its job. So here we go. So, this is y'all's braking system. I'm pretty sure some of y'all know that, some of y'all don't. Okay? For the people who just started using a baitcaster, this is called the braking system. This is called your line gear. Okay? Your drag. Your spool. Okay? So, when you first start, you need to tighten up your spool, tighten up and loose, or whatever you want to call it, or your spool, not spoon, spool. Okay, and loosen up this to about half. And if you fully just started, loosen it up or tighten it up all the way to max. Max helps it to not fall. Okay. So let me show y'all a demonstration. So, hey, what's up, man? Making a YouTube video. You wanna come and join? You wanna come and join this YouTube video? Huh? A job interview? So like I said, this is your spool tension. This is your spool tension knob. This is your braking system. Your spool tension knob is right here. This is your drag. This is your handle. This is your spool. This is your braking system. Once again, okay? So, with your spool tension knob, like I said, tighten that up. Not too tight, just perfect, okay? Just until perfect that it can barely drop. Just perfect as soon as it barely drops, okay? Look, check this out. It's gonna barely drop. Barely. Watch the spool. Watch. And watch. Watch the line. See, it barely drops. It only kicks up a little bit of line. Okay, sorry about that, guys. And also, if you're just gonna be throwing and you're wanting to practice a lot better, pull out a couple yards of line, okay, and just put a little bit of tape on your spool, and when you throw it out, it'll only stop about the yards of how much line you already have out. Alright, so you're not going to be able to throw as very far, but it will do as much as it can, okay? So I like to fish my tension knob very, very loose, because I fish heavy baits, and I fish smooth baits, and I like to have mine on mint, because I could throw a lot farther, I could fish a lot farther, I could do and over the net we go. Alright, so this demonstration is going to help you improve your ability of fishing. And also, guys, if y'all also want to learn how to pitch and flip and do a lot more easier stuff, guys, comment below, subscribe, email me. I'll put my email down below, and let me know what y'all guys want to see. If y'all want to see more fishing videos like this, let me know, guys. Comment down below, DM me, text me, email me. And also, guys, I will be coming out with new merch. I will be putting merch down below in the link description. In the link in the description, if we can get 4 new subscribers, guys. Click on that subscribe bell, comment, and guys, I need to reach 4 new subscribers, and I need to hit 8 likes. 8 likes will be perfect. Give me 8 likes, guys, and I will post more videos that y'all guys want. Okay? Peace out.